Back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am ꨄ and I do Christian lifestyle content. So today we're starting off, as you see from the title or the thumbnail, for summer diaries. So it's not officially summer yet for me. I have like a week to go, but I'm starting off this summer vlog because we do have some events before summer that I like to put in my summer diaries. So yeah, so the first thing on the list for my summer diaries is to do my nails. So let's roll the clips of me going to get my nails done. I actually just got back from doing my nails, so let's roll that clip. Yes, I can show you my nails now. Ooh. So yes, these are the nails. I'll show you guys. Well, you guys just saw like the better video of it up close and all, but this is it. Yeah, so yes, I also did my toes. I did them in, that's kind of orangish, not this kind of orange though, that orange. So I don't know what kind of orange I call that. So it's not the same as the fingers, it's different. It's a different orange. Focus. Yeah, it's a different orange, but so for this vlog, I'm also going to be like showing you guys. Right now we're supposed to be looking for one of my aunt today, so I picked out an outfit to wear. I picked out my Savage Squad t-shirt to wear. It's just a white t-shirt with like my name on the front and the Savage Squad logo on the back, and then I picked out this biker shorts to wear, and it's still gonna be kind of ish matching my thing. And then I'm gonna be wearing like my yellow Crocs with this. So that's the outfit for today. It stopped raining. It was like raining very heavily, as I showed you guys earlier. It's not raining at the moment. I need to go and hang out some clothes before it starts to rain again for my sister. So yeah, also I'm also sick. It's a lot happening in this vlog. I'm literally very sick. I felt like I was catching the flu yesterday, so right now I'm trying to get rid of that because I do have somewhere else to go on Saturday that I don't want to be sick for. So yeah, and my hair, I have twisted out my hair, so this is what it's gonna be for the weekend until school lock anyways. So yeah, by the way guys, how does this look? I'm trying to figure out. It's not so bad when it's in the bright because I put on a new screen protector on the phone, right? But it's like it covers a little piece of the camera, so I'm just checking out to see if it works. It actually works, so we can actually vlog on this once it's not very dark. See, you guys are seeing the nails better. Because for my camera, I don't know, it washes out my face. If you realize I'm very white in the other clip, but in this clip it's more my skin tone. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, so I also need to find like a case for my phone. Let me show you the case on my phone. It's ugly. Don't mind my dirty mirror, but yeah, this is the case. It's a clear case, and all of my clear cases, when it comes to up here, it's very ugly. I took off one yesterday, the more protective one, and honestly the clear cases are just not it for me right now. And all of my other cases, I have a purple one and it's not protective. I have a black one, not protective. I have a white one, not protective, and a red one as well, not protective. So I need to buy another case that is kind of protective and also cute. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know. So we're going into Kingston today, so we'll see how if I actually find a case for my phone. There was a man near where I'm at, and I said I was gonna buy it from him, but I'm gonna check somewhere else first because female look protective neither. Alright guys, I'm ready. This is what I'm wearing. I don't know why I know about white. I will show some bits. Let me put y'all down. So this is the fit. And me yellow Crocs. So that is that. Vlog? Yeah. Hi to the vlog. Vlog. Shanique says hi. And then the necklace and the jewelry. But what hurts me, like drastically.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind. Hold her hand.
Alright guys, so I'm to show you guys the case. So this is the case I got. I got it in Kingston at Boulevard Center. I stored there for $2,000. So yeah, it's not bad. It's not that protective because as I see, it doesn't come over like on the screen. So what I started to practice to do is that when I'm putting it down, I put it down like this. So I'm trying my best. So yeah, I like the effect of this though. I mean, it's like my pop sockets and so on. So this is good. So yes, this is the case.
Is it showing us? Hi.
Morning, good morning, good morning, morning, morning.
Why do face look so kin up?
No. Morning, people. It is Wednesday.
She not gonna work.
I'm glad. But we're not glad for our come. But you know, still have to brace myself and thank God. Anyways, so but it starts one little vlog, but it's supposed to be the first summer vlog. I guess this is gonna be part of this summer because summer start officially. I'm gonna see you.
I'm black.
Come out to the light, man. Sure. Sit there. Oh, me know why. Come over here, so. That's why. It's something I cover me, part of me camera. Hi.
I'm not a morning person, guys. No.
Listen, not at all. Me too. That's a life.
I came right on time.
Girl, come in your mouth, my food. Like, why? Somebody can't take her from me either. I don't know where I'm gonna get her from.
Stuck with me forever, sweet.
Unfortunately.
Forever.
Unfortunately. Anyways, people, I'll give you some updates later, but outside is breezing. That's all I can tell you now. Breeze was so normal and Beryl not reach it.
If you see one little black something and blue.
What was the other one they are blowing? Yeah, so the breeze are going with himself. Yeah, so it's like 7:30 something right now, and the breeze already are going so. And me not think Beryl reach yet. You not reach yet. Come with us see the way yet. So kinda scared. It's here, people. It's here. See how my flower's gone down already? Yeah, show them say your flower's gone down already. One down. Oh gosh. Lord. And it just starts. Mighty.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you.
Hey guys. So I'm here practicing makeup. I did it a little while, honestly. No, that's what I can't see. It's a little white, but I'm practicing to put on my lashes, and I finally put them on. Like, I realized that the reason they weren't going on first is because of the eyelash glue that I have. I had to use hair glue to get these on because the glue was just not going. It wasn't sticking. I was wondering, what was I doing wrong? Until I tried the hair glue and it's sticking. So they're not done perfect because I'm trying to learn. But lashes with me. Yeah. Anyways, story. Still sick, by the way. Let me show you what's happening. Scary, honestly. So yeah, this is the update from my room. A lot of trees are down. Yeah. And it has a few feet at it. This is just like the outer part. The rich. You know?
You thought we want red, come move. It's my turn? Yes. Now you are red. You want red, you...
Aww.
The love you give me, I just can't deny.
At least I got this.
I'm calling it yellow.
No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave.
No, Lord, evil face. Good morning, guys. It is the day after Hurricane Beryl was passed, and I'm going outside to check on the aftermath of the hurricane. So I'm gonna show you guys some stuff, the damage. So all leaves and everything. I did show this family yesterday, but yeah. Yes. Good morning, world. Let me hear them a chop some stuff. So obviously some tree blocks somewhere, or banana trees are down. All those trees are down. Because the cows are still standing. Go on. Go on. I left my sister. Go on, I left my sister alone. Go on. Yeah, look somebody for ramp with. So the apple tree went down. Maybe let's for something jump. They don't I don't know. There's no way in the country that doesn't do something like that. You will block out this one. You see? This is the damage in my backyard. Trees are down. The phone could sick them, God. And the mangoes are all over the place. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below, how did the hurricane affect you? I hope you guys are okay, by the way. Please continue to keep safe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.